This video I'm gonna show you how to make the real birria, not the one you find at Chipotle, but the real thing. You're gonna need a small garlic head, an onion, 3 chile negro peppers. Now this is optional. Menudo mix gives it a little bit more flavor. It has mustard seeds and coriander seeds, cumin seed, and some chile de árbol peppers. If you want it more spicy, add 5 more chile de árbol peppers, 10 peppers, 10 cloves, some thyme, 10 of those leaves. You're gonna need 10 guajillo peppers, apple cider vinegar, cooking oil, and salt. For the beef, I'm using top round beef steak and some ribs and some beef spare ribs. Here I'm heating up the frying pan. It's ready. I'm gonna add the oil. Now the oil is hot. We're gonna add the garlic and the chopped onion. Now the onion and garlic are ready. We're gonna reserve them in the container. Now we're gonna add a little bit more cooking oil. And here I have all the peppers. I removed most of the seeds. These do not take long. As soon as you see smoke coming out of them, they're ready. So we're gonna put them. Now we're gonna blend the peppers, onion. We're also gonna add a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. We're also gonna add 1/2 cup of water. We're gonna add another 1/2 cup. It's still kind of dry. Now we're gonna add the spices and a spoon of salt. Now we're gonna add the mix to the beef. If you want to increase the flavor, you can marinate it and leave it in the refrigerator overnight. I'm gonna do it right away. I'm gonna start with the ribs. I'm using a pressure cooker because it reduces the cooking time from 3 to 1. So usually it takes about 3 hours. Now it's gonna take 1 hour with the pressure cooker. Almost forgot, I'm gonna add the water first so I can see better. It needs to go at that level so it doesn't touch the beef. No birria is real birria without agave leaves. These give it a special flavor. I'm using, these are kind of small for the pressure cooker, but you can use bigger ones if you're using a bigger pot. Remove the horns. These give her a special flavor. Now it's ready. We're gonna cover it. We're gonna do 60 minutes low pressure. Pressure cook. And that's it. The 60 minutes have passed. Now the tacos are ready, and the consomme also. This we call the consomme. I'm gonna have cilantro here, onion, some carrots. So now we're gonna make them. Now we're gonna add the onion. Add some onion to the consomme. Some lime. Let's try it. We're gonna do the taco dip into the consomme.